Hello friends, my name is Rita Mehta. The topic is Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Introduction. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas JNVs are a system of alternate schools for gifted students in India. They are run by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, New Delhi, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Education, Government of India. GNVs are fully residential and co-educational schools affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE, New Delhi, with classes from 6th to 12th standard. GNVs are specially tasked with finding talented children in rural areas of India and providing them with an education equivalent to the best residential school system without regard to their family's socio-economic condition. GNVs exist all over India with the exception of Tamil Nadu. There are approximately 598 GNVs across India, one school per district as of 2011-12 academic year. History. The concept of opening Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in every district of India was born as a part of Section 5.15 in New Policy on Education NPE 86. In 1986, the concept of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti came into the existence during the prime ministership of late Rajiv Gandhi. He was a great visionary. It was then decided to open a school of rural meritorious students who are deprived of urban facilities. It was also decided to open one Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district starting with 2 GNVs. Today, there are around 600 GNVs raising the flag of good quality of modern education through learning by doing. JNV provides education through playing method, or we can say through non-traditional method. Objectives of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti: to establish and do, maintain, control and manage schools hereinafter called the Navodaya Vidyalaya, and to do all acts and things necessary for or conducive to the promotion of such schools, which will have the following objectives. First, to provide good quality modern education including a strong component of cultural inculcation of values, awareness of the environment, adventure activities and physical education to the talented children predominantly from the rural areas without regard to their family's socio-economic condition. Second, to provide facilities at a sustainable stage for instruction through a common medium with Hindi and English all over the country. Third, offer a common core curriculum of ensuring comparability in standards and to facilitate and understanding of the common and composite heritage of our people. Fourth, to progressively bring students from one part of the country to another in each school to promote national integration and enrich the school content. To establish, develop, maintain and manage hostels for the residence of students of Navodaya Vidyalayas. To aid, establish and conduct other institutions may be required for the furtherance of society's objects in any part of India. To do all such things as may be considered necessary, incidental or conducive to the attainment of all or any of the objects of the society. Silent features of Navodaya Vidyalayas. JNVST. Entrance on the basis of merit. Navodaya Vidyalaya draw their student strength from talented children selected on the basis of a merit test called the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test, designed, developed and conducted initially by NCERT and how by the CBSE. The test is held annually on all India basis and at block and district levels. It is objective, class neutral and is so designed as to ensure that rural children are not at a disadvantage. Reservation of seats. Admission in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas is primarily for children from the rural areas with provision of at least 75% seats for rural children. Seats are reserved for children from SC and ST communities in proportion to their population in the district but not less than the national average. 1/3 of the seats are filled by girl students. 3% of the seats are for disabled children. Co-educational residential schools with free education. Navodaya Vidyalayas are affiliated to CBSE and offer free education to talented children from class 6 to 12th. Entry to Navodaya Vidyalaya is made in class 6 with lateral entry in class 9th and 11th. Each Navodaya is co-educational residential institution providing free boarding and lodging, expenses on uniforms, textbooks, stationery, to and fro rail and bus fare to students. However, a nominal fee, rupees 200 per month, is charged from students of class 9th to class 12th as Vidyalaya Vikas Nidhi. The students belonging to SC, ST categories, girls, disabled students, and children of the families below poverty line are exempted from payment of this fee. Adherence to three language formula. The scheme of Navodaya Vidyalayas provides for implementation of the three language formula. The third language taught in Hindi speaking district is linked with the migrate of student. जिस स्कूल में उन्हें माइग्रेट किया जाता है या जिस स्कूल के स्टूडेंट वहाँ माइग्रेट होकर आते हैं उस स्कूल की लैंग्वेज या उस रीजन की लैंग्वेज उन बच्चों को सिखाई जाती एज अ थर्ड लैंग्वेज. तो ऑल नवोदय विद्यालयास फॉलो द थ्री लैंग्वेज फॉर्मूला रीजनल लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. सपोज अगर हम पंजाब में हमारा माइग्रेशन होता है तो हमें थर्ड लैंग्वेज एज अ पंजाबी एंड टू लैंग्वेजेस हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश एज यूजुअल रहती हैं. द मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन. द मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन विल बी मदर टंग रीजनल लैंग्वेज अप टू 7th और 8th class. Thereafter, the common medium would be Hindi, English in all Navodaya Vidyalayas. 7th और 8th क्लास तक जैसे अगर हम उत्तराखंड के किसी स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर हमें हिंदी लैंग्वेज में पढ़ाया जाएगा या अगर हम साउथ के स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं तो इंग्लिश में. आफ्टर दैट अगर हम 9th क्लास से 12th तक पढ़ते हैं तो वहाँ पर को हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों सब्जेक्ट में पढ़ाया जाता है. स्पेसिफिकली साइंस स्ट्रीम के स्टूडेंट्स को इंग्लिश मीडियम एंड आर्ट स्ट्रीम के स्टूडेंट्स को हिंदी में पढ़ाया जाता है. The next one is promotion of national integration. Navodaya Vidyalayas aim at inculcating values of national integration through migration scheme. Migration is an inter-regional exchange of students between Hindi and non-Hindi speaking districts, which takes place for one academic year in class 9th. Efforts are made to promote better understanding of the unity, its diversity and cultural heritage through various activities. क्लास 9th में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को सेलेक्ट किया जाता है, फिर उन्हें अनदर स्टेट के अनदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट किसी नवोदय स्कूल में 1 साल के लिए क्लास 9th में भेजा जाता है पढ़ने के लिए, जिससे वो वहाँ की लैंग्वेज, वहाँ की लिविंग स्टाइल, वहाँ की डाइवर्सिटी, वहाँ के कल्चर को सीख सकें, जिससे उनके अंदर यूनिटी की भावना आ सके. Academic excellence. In Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas, all out efforts are made to develop competencies among students in scholastic and non-scholastic areas of education, leading to effective personality development of each child. Scholastic excellence can be seen in the comparison of average pass percentage of NVS and that of other school systems like Kendriya Vidyalayas and private schools. Migration. One of the important features of the JNV scheme is an exchange program wherein students visit JNVs in different linguistic regions. The aim of the exchange program is focused on national integration. माइग्रेशन इसलिए कराया जाता है ताकि बच्चों में नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन की जो भावना है वो डेवलप हो सके. According to the scheme, selected 30% of 9th class students are exchanged between GNVs of non-Hindi speaking region and Hindi speaking region. जैसे उत्तराखंड हिंदी स्पीकिंग रीजन है और साउथ में कोई स्टेट है जहाँ पर को नॉन हिंदी स्पीकिंग रीजन होगा, वहाँ पर को स्टूडेंट को एक्सचेंज किया जाएगा फॉर 1 year. एंड स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 2 collaborated Navodaya are taught language to their associated state as third language for 4 years. और 4 साल के लिए 6 to 9th के लिए उन बच्चों को वो लैंग्वेज सिखाई जाती है. Importance of GNVs. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is a totally residential school which admits children at the young age of 10, 11 and teaches them for around 7 years till they finish high school. 6th क्लास में बच्चों का एडमिशन होता है एंड 12th क्लास में वो 12th पास आउट करके जाते हैं. तो अबाउट 7 ईयर की जर्नी होती है जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स किस तरीके से लाइफस्टाइल हम एक्सपेंड करते हैं ये हम सीखते हैं. Though at first all of us Navodayans feel bad for being away from home and not with their family, it imbibes in us lot of qualities. जब 6th क्लास में बच्चे आते हैं तो बहुत छोटे होते हैं तो उन्हें घर की याद आती है तो वो बैड फील करते हैं, बट धीरे धीरे वो अपनी क्वालिटीज़ को इम्प्रूव करते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पर को कुछ डिस्कशन किया गया है. हियर आर सम ऑफ दोज. फर्स्ट, सेल्फ एम्पावरमेंट. From a very small age, we are on our own and are taught to take care of ourselves. बहुत छोटी एज में की वजह से हम खुद को सिखाते हैं कि हमें खुद की कैसे टेक केयर करना है. We do our laundry, dishes all on our own, which teaches us to be responsible from the very childhood. बहुत छोटे से हम ये सीखने लग जाते हैं किस तरीके से हमें अपनी लॉन्ड्री करनी है, किस तरीके से हमें डिशेस साफ करने हैं, ये हम खुद से सीखने लगते हैं. You can always expect a Navodayan to do his own chorus or help others throughout life. इस तरीके से नवोदय से एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि वो खुद के लिए और दूसरों की हेल्प के लिए अपनी लाइफ में सीख सके. Second, an open mind. We are given a new family once we get in there. We get friends from all walks of life. We learn to respect and love people irrespective of their reason, caste, gender और color. नवोदय में हर कास्ट के, हर जेंडर के, कास्ट के, रिलीजन के लोग आते हैं, तो उनके बीच में कोई डिफरेंस ना क्रिएट हो, इस चीज़ के लिए नवोदय को यूनिटी की तरह देखा जाता है. दिस वी कैरी फॉरवर्ड थ्रू आउट अवर लाइफ, जिससे लाइफ स्टाइल आगे को सोच देखते हैं कि वो कहीं भी जा कर के रिलीजन, कास्ट, जेंडर एंड कलर के बेसिस में डिफरेंस ना कर सकें. We don't judge or discriminate people on these grounds anytime. Third is a good educational structure. Navodaya follows one of the best curriculum in the country proposed by NCERT. We were taught all the essential things needed to follow any stream of our choice once we are out of the school. The teachers stay in campus, so are accessible during any fair amount of time for extra help. टीचर्स नवोदय में कैंपस में ही रहते हैं तो इसलिए एक्स्ट्रा टाइम एक्स्ट्रा देन द एकेडमिक टाइम वहाँ पर टीचर हेल्प करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को. द मैंडेटरी स्टडी टाइम इंस्टिल in us a good education on time management and discipline from a very small age. The fourth one is lots of cultural and technical competitions. We are given ample platform to develop the dancer, singer, orator, painter, dancer, dramatist, playwrights, etc. in us. We used to make satires on some of the things we didn't like in our school. We were not reprimanded or punished heavily for those. The teachers and staff took it in the spirit. The art and SUPW, social useful productive work, एक सब्जेक्ट रखा जाता है SUPW जिसमें ये सीखा जाता है जो हमारे वेस्ट मटेरियल्स से हैं, जो हमारे चारों ओर जिनको हम वेस्ट मानते हैं, उनका यूज़ करके हम कैसे नई नई चीज़ें बना सकते हैं फॉर एज अ क्रिएटिव. The art and SUPW classes taught us useful skills outside normal curriculum too. I once hardbound all my textbooks using a class took on book binding at an SUPW class. There is also technical exhibitions conducted every year at Ved. Advantages भी हैं, a few disadvantages too. Navodayas are not taking part in state sports meet. Navodaya Vidyalayas doesn't directly participate in state level sports competition as it has its own sports activities which are of cluster, regional and national levels. नवोदय विद्यालय समिति ने क्या किया है कि उन्होंने अपना एक अलग लेवल बनाया हुआ है स्पोर्ट्स मीट का, जिसमें क्लस्टर, रीजनल एंड नेशनल लेवल्स डिवाइड किए हुए हैं. ये स्टेट के अदर स्कूल्स के साथ कंपटीशन कंडक्ट नहीं करते हैं. But when some individual extraordinary talents are encountered, GNVs just doesn't allows the talents to grow but also helps its students physically and financially. But altogether, it is a nice experience and education which, if possible, you should take up. 99% of the time, it makes a person a self-reliant, all-round, well-mannered and disciplined citizen of the world. Thank you to all.